guys. Starting off, I'm going to add moisture to her hair, and then I'm going to seal in that moisture with oil. The products that I'm using are my own. If you would like to purchase your own, you can check out my website under www.tdaysart.com. These products so far have been amazing. We've been consistent with using them, especially for protective styling. So quickly, I just want to throw in that I'm so proud of Tootie for taking care of her hair. I noticed for the past couple of months, she's been faithfully plaiting her hair up at night and then taking it down whenever it's time to style it. So I've noticed that she goes out of her way to make sure that she's taking care of her hair on her own, which is a plus. Stop what you're doing real quick and go ahead and hit that thumbs up button just to say, hey girl, I'm watching. Alright, on to the tutorial. So right now, I'm just cornrowing her hair. I think I have a total of like 5 cornrows and they're all juicy. And I actually think it's better when I use bigger braids. I feel like I have more control. This hair right here is the Ocean Wave by Crochet Braids, and it is in 14 inches. I used a total of 2.5 packs on her head. This is another item that you can purchase on my website at www.tdaysart.com, and these crochet needles are something that my girls handmade themselves, and the profit made from these items will go directly to them. So if you guys want to check them out and show my girls some love for their work, feel free to do so. Not only that, they're super cute. So I'm proud of them. For the installment, as you guys can see, I'm installing hair around the big cornrow. Like I said, I like big cornrows because I can work with the space around the cornrows. For this style, I'm doing the rubber band method, and that's basically when you loop the hair in and then wrap it around itself as if you're tying the hair into ponytails. I usually wrap the hair around 4 times at the most. And also another tip is to try to use smaller strands of hair. A lot of times people say the hair slips, but most of the time it slips because you're using too much hair. The less hair you use, the more likely it is to stay. Once I'm done installing her hair, I will take my scissors and trim off any ends that are longer than the other. Right now I'm getting her edges together. Because they are natural and they have 4C hair, I usually slick their edges down and then get a scarf and tie it up. I notice that when I do this, the hair dries into place. It dries smooth, as if they have a relaxer. But when I don't do it, it buds and rolls right back up as if it never happened. And even for myself, I have a relaxer, but I notice when I tie my hair down, oh, it be smooth like butter. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.